Sit right here, chill, level low. Close your eyes and just let it flow. Right next to me, I hear your heartbeat beat when the dial turns up and the music starts playing.
Friends come and go, go like the seasons. I never know what to believe in. And it's getting old, but no hard feelings. Cause friends come and go without a reason. And I've been in LA for way too long. Can't get this air inside my lungs. It feels like I'm suffocating from all the lack of the room is here.
I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Oh, easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening to my heart instead of my head. You found another one, but I am the better one. I won't let you forget me. I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Oh.
Tell me, what does it look like in heaven? Is it peaceful? Is it free like they say? Does the sun shine bright forever? Have your fears and your pain gone away? 'Cause here on earth it feels like everything good is missing. I'm waking up, the action does. I wipe my brow and I sweat my rust. I'm breathing in the chemicals. I'm breaking in, shaping up, then checking out on the prison bus. This is it, the apocalypse. Whoa, I'm waking up. Do you ever feel like a misfit? Everything inside you is dark and twisted. Oh, but it's okay to be different, 'cause baby, so am I. So am I, so am I, so am I. Can you hear the whispers all across the room? You feel her eyes all over you like cheap perfume. You're beautiful, but misunderstood. So why you tryna be just like the neighborhood? I can see it, I know what you're feeling.
More than meets the eye. To tell the truth would be a lie. I saw her out on Friday night, misunderstood. She's balling for a guy. That cigarette, it needs a light. Pluck up the courage and invite her nowhere good. 'Cause I need this more than just a one night stand. Need that honey when she hold my hand. Times like this, they call for true romance, but she's not ready for that. She lets me down, then gets me high. Oh, I don't know why, she's just my type.
I think it's so cute, and I think it's so sweet how you let your friends encourage you to try and talk to me, but let me stop you there. Oh, before you speak. Not to the I to the no, no, no. My name is no, my sign is no, my number is no. You need to let it go, you need to let it go, need to let it go.
Chill out, what you yelling for? Lay back, it's all been done before. And if you could only let it be, you would see I like you the way you are. When we're driving in your car and you're talking to me one-on-one, but you've become somebody else around everyone else. You're watching your back like you can't relax. You're trying to be cool, you look like a fool to me.
You probably think I was psychotic.
If you knew,
What I still got in my closet.
sad but true.
I slip it on over my shoulders. It's something I'll never get over. It makes me feel a little bit closer to you.
Step in the room and she noticed me almost instantly, and I can guarantee that she has heard about me through a girlfriend. Not to mention that her boyfriend hates me. 'cause I do insist nothing happened here this time.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake, 'cause I don't fucking care.